As we walk the floors of CES 2026, it's clear that the future of work is not just around the corner, it's already here. We've seen demos of AI-powered automation, augmented reality training tools, and even robots that can learn on their own. But one announcement caught us completely off guard: a collaboration between IBM and Volkswagen to deploy AI-driven virtual assistants in every single German factory by 2027. That's right, in just 2 years' time, an entire country will have integrated AI into its industrial backbone. The implications are staggering. No job is safe from the specter of automation. McKinsey estimates that up to 800 million jobs worldwide could be lost due to technological advancements by 2030. And it's not just blue-collar workers. AI-powered tools can analyze resumes, automate phone screenings, and even select interview questions. But what really got our attention was a live demo by the startup, NeuronMind. Their brain-computer interface, BCI, lets employees control their virtual assistants with nothing but their thoughts. No keyboard, no mouse, just pure mental focus. The potential is mind-bending. Workers could dictate emails, schedule meetings, and manage workflows without ever lifting a finger. We spoke to the CEO of NeuronMind, who revealed that they've already secured partnerships with major players in the industry. It's not just about replacing tasks, it's about fundamentally changing the way we work and think. The goal is to create a seamless interface between humans and machines, he told us. Imagine being able to focus on high-level strategy, while your AI assistant handles all the grunt work. The question on everyone's mind: what does this mean for our jobs? As we step into the year 2026, the world of work is on the cusp of a revolution. The numbers are telling us that by 2027, up to 80% of companies worldwide will have deployed some form of AI in their operations. This seismic shift is already underway, with pioneers like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft leading the charge. At CES 2026, we're witnessing firsthand the rapid acceleration of this trend. The exhibition floor is abuzz with innovative solutions that are redefining the future of work. One of the most striking exhibits we've come across is from IBM's Watson subsidiary, which has unveiled a new AI-driven platform designed to automate routine tasks and free up human resources for higher-value activities. Meanwhile, Microsoft's Azure Cloud Computing division has announced its partnership with leading job market platforms, such as LinkedIn and Indeed, to integrate AI-powered talent matching. This means that companies will be able to access a vast pool of qualified candidates based on their specific needs, further streamlining the recruitment process. Google, not to be left behind, is showcasing its latest advancements in natural language processing, NLP, technology. Its new generation of conversational AI systems can now understand nuances and context better than ever before, making it possible for humans to engage with machines in a more intuitive way. These developments are not just incremental improvements, they represent fundamental shifts in how work gets done. With AI-driven automation on the rise, experts predict that up to 30% of jobs will be significantly changed or even replaced by machines within the next decade. The pace of innovation is breathtaking. We're seeing a new wave of startups and entrepreneurs emerging who are harnessing AI to tackle some of humanity's most pressing challenges. At CES 2026, it's clear that the future of work is not just around the corner, it's already here. As we explore the cutting-edge innovations unveiled at CES 2026, one development in particular has left industry insiders and analysts alike stunned. Meet the latest creation from tech giant NVIDIA, dubbed Eclipse. This AI-driven workstation is poised to revolutionize the way businesses approach labor-intensive tasks, automating everything from data entry to complex design processes. NVIDIA's Eclipse boasts a staggering 128 trillion floating-point operations per second, teraflops, dwarfing its closest competitor by over 50%. But what truly sets it apart is its proprietary MetaMind AI framework, capable of learning and adapting at an exponential rate. This means that not only will Eclipse excel in routine tasks but also tackle increasingly complex challenges with unprecedented ease. At the heart of Eclipse lies a novel concept called neural mesh, a neural network architecture that enables seamless collaboration between humans and machines. By leveraging this technology, businesses can unlock previously unimaginable levels of productivity, freeing up staff to focus on high-value tasks that require creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. Industry analysts are hailing NVIDIA's Eclipse as a game-changer. According to a recent report by Gartner, companies that successfully integrate AI-driven workstations like Eclipse into their operations will experience an average 25% increase in revenue growth over the next 3 years. As the demand for skilled professionals continues to skyrocket, Eclipse is poised to bridge the skills gap, empowering businesses to stay ahead of the curve. NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, has been quoted as saying, "Eclipse represents a new frontier in human-AI collaboration. We're not just talking about automation, we're talking about augmentation." With Eclipse leading the charge, it's clear that the future of work is more exciting, and unsettling, than ever imagined. As we take a step back and examine the potential implications of AI-driven automation, one thing becomes clear: the stakes are higher than ever before. McKinsey's report highlights a staggering trend. By 2027, up to 80% of companies worldwide will have deployed some form of AI in their operations. This isn't just about incremental change, we're witnessing a fundamental transformation of the workforce. Pioneers like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are leading the charge, but it's not just about industry leaders. Smaller businesses and startups are also embracing AI at an alarming rate. According to Gartner, by 2025, AI will be embedded in over 80% of new business processes across all industries, regardless of size. But what does this mean for workers? As automation becomes more prevalent, we can expect significant job displacement, especially in sectors where tasks are repetitive or easily programmable. In fact, a report by the World Economic Forum predicts that while AI will create 133 million new jobs globally by 2022, it will also displace around 75 million existing ones. Now, this is not just about numbers, it's about people. As we face an uncertain future, many workers are already feeling the pinch, from anxious entrepreneurs to seasoned professionals struggling to adapt. And yet, amidst all the doom and gloom, there's a glimmer of hope. By 2027, up to 75% of companies will have developed new roles specifically designed for AI collaboration. These aren't just pie-in-the-sky predictions, they're based on real-world examples from innovative businesses like IBM, where AI-powered workflows are already generating significant productivity gains. As we hurtle towards a future where humans and machines work together seamlessly, one thing becomes clear: the AI-driven revolution is no longer a distant possibility, but an irreversible reality. As we navigate the sprawling halls of CES 2026, it's clear that the future of work is not just around the corner, it's already upon us. Amidst the sea of innovative products and technologies on display, one particular reveal has left industry experts and enthusiasts alike in awe. Meet Eureka, a pioneering AI-driven platform unveiled by IBM at this year's conference. According to IBM CEO, Arvind Krishna, Eureka represents a major breakthrough in workforce automation. This cutting-edge solution leverages the power of natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms to streamline tasks, augment human capabilities, and drive unprecedented productivity gains. By integrating seamlessly with existing workflows, Eureka enables organizations to redeploy resources towards high-value tasks that require creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking, skills where humans still hold a distinct advantage. What's truly remarkable about Eureka is its potential to democratize access to AI-driven solutions for businesses of all sizes. IBM has confirmed plans to make the platform available as a service, with tiered pricing models designed to cater to a wide range of industries and organizational structures. This inclusive approach aligns perfectly with the company's long-term vision, to empower 100 million workers worldwide by leveraging AI in their daily tasks. Industry insiders are already speculating about the profound implications of Eureka on the global job market. As we've previously reported, up to 80% of companies worldwide will have deployed some form of AI in their operations by 2027. With IBM's platform leading the charge, it's not hard to envision a future where AI becomes an integral part of everyday work life, and Eureka might just be the catalyst that drives us there. As we conclude our journey through the transformative exhibits at CES 2026, it's clear that the future of work is no longer a distant prospect. With AI-driven solutions already being integrated into companies worldwide, the question isn't if, but when and how this revolution will unfold. McKinsey's report paints a vivid picture: by 2027, up to 80% of companies globally will have deployed some form of artificial intelligence in their operations. This seismic shift is not limited to a select few industries, it's a universal trend.